Hello everyone, welcome to HSJ Engineering. Today I would like to discuss with you about mold parting line, which comes under mold technology. Parting surface. The parting surfaces of a mold are those surfaces adjacent to the cavity wall where core and cavity surfaces touch when the mold is closed for injection. If there are opening inside the part, the core and cavity surface should touch shut off at the opening area. If there is side opening, the shut off area between core and cavity should be at an angle to reduce wear. Normally minimum 5-degree angle is given. Parting surfaces are classified as flat and non-flat. The preferred parting line is flat as it is easy to grind. If the core projects beyond the parting line, it is difficult to grind and hence an insert can be thought of. The non-flat parting surfaces include step, profile and angular surfaces. These types of parting lines are difficult to make. It is made by costly method like CNC milling, EDM or by hand matching. If parting surfaces are not properly matched, material from the impression will escape through the gap. This buffer thin of material is called as flash. The shape of the parting surfaces depends fully on the shape of the component. The main consideration is can the part be pulled out of the cavity or core. The parting surface must be so selected that the molding can be ejected out easily from the mold. Ideally, the parting line should pass through the maximum size of the part. If a part cannot be ejected by normal positioning, then think of an angle parting line. If this is not possible, then think of incorporating side cores or splits. The side core design will increase mold cost, increase complication to the mold construction and also the size of the mold. Usually, side core is provided on the moving off core side. During the mold opening, the side core pulls out of the cavity and part remains on the core. If the side core is provided from cavity, it must be pulled off before opening the mold. This is less preferred method as the side core must be operated independently of the mold opening. This requires a mold operation with a hydraulic core or the cavity should move along with the core as the side core is being withdrawn. An example for this is when there is hole on the side wall below the parting line. So the criteria for parting line selection are 1. Ejection of the part. The part should stay on the side where you have planned for ejection. 2. Offset parting line. If there are opening on the side wall of the part, the parting line should be offset. In such cases, the matting surface between the core and cavity should be at an angle. This will prevent flushing as an angular surface can be preloaded and will also reduce wear as there is no sliding surface. 3. Strength of the parting line. The area where the core and the cavity meet should be strong enough. If strength is insufficient, increase the area of contact or add more support by increasing the thickness. 4. Strength of cavity wall. Parting line must be selected so that it gives sufficient strength to the cavity wall. Matching of parting line. Think how to machine the parting line. Parting surfaces should be easy to machine and cheap. Always aim for a single setup machining. 6. Locking of parting line. In the case of profile parting surfaces, it should take care of the sidewise thrust. Parting surface. The parting line must be made at the maximum size around the part. If the maximum size line lies on the parallel plane, then the parting line will be flat. Angular parting surface. If the maximum size of the component lies on an angular plane, then the angled parting is selected. Profile parting surface form. In this case, the maximum size of the part is along the contour in a plane but same on either side of the part. Step parting surfaces. If the maximum size happens to be different levels of the flat surfaces, we require a step parting line. Local step parting surfaces we can see over here. Complex parting surfaces. In this case, parting surfaces around contour different levels due to part function and ejection requirement. An undercut, a projection or depression on the part which prevent direct ejection in the line of drop. Radius on edge of the profile, thin cavity wall, insert locking system requires a complex parting line. Relief on parting surfaces. Full parting surfaces contact is not required because it would be difficult to match all the surfaces. It will also unnecessarily increase the cost of the mold. It will also affect the function of the mold if it is not properly matched. So the parting surface is relieved, leaving certain land around the cavity. The land width depends upon the mold size and the plastic material used. The land is normally 10 to 30 mm and relief depth is 0.1 to 0.5 mm. Runner area is also relieved in a similar fashion. On bigger molds, additional butting surface is given around the guide bush.